Hi, I'm Jackie from Jackie Partridge Art. Today we are going to be painting a mountain sunset painting. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, and you can subscribe by hitting the bell to receive notifications for when new videos come out. Alright, so to start this painting, I'm using a square canvas. If you'd like to use a regular rectangle canvas, you can. This is a square canvas board. So with your detail brush, this is just a detail round brush, we're going to start by mapping out our mountain range. So we're going to start by mixing a green with some cadmium yellow and cobalt blue. And I'm just going to mix a little bit more blue. A bit yellow. All right. So you can just start to paint a line, kind of a wavy line for your mountain range. If you want, you can also draw it out with chalk. All right, and then we can paint it in with our round brush. I'm using a round brush number 6. All right. For our next section, we're going to use some cobalt blue with some titanium white and just a little bit of cadmium yellow. And a little bit more white. You can look at pictures of mountain ranges if you would like, or hills. All right, and then for our last one, we're just going to use the color on our brush, and I'm just going to mix in a bunch of titanium white so we have a lighter blue. just gonna finish it up with my small detail brush. Also add a little bit of water to your brush. And then we can do a second layer and fix anything that you don't like. So this painting is a great lesson on learning about value, since we're starting with a darker color in the foreground, and then we have a slightly lighter color in the midground and the lightest color in the background. This is a good project for high school or elementary art. And if you're looking for art lessons, you can check out my TPT store, Teachers Pay Teachers, and just search Jackie Partridge Art. There will also be a link for it in the description of this video. And I'm just adding a little bit of variety with some different colors for in the foreground. So I'm mixing in some different blues and whites just to make it a little bit more interesting. All right. Now for the sky. For the sky, we're going to do a nice pale pinky kind of peachy color. So I'm going to start with the sun, just kind of over here. And we're going to mix some yellow with some white. Again, I'm just painting with a small detail brush. So that's kind of our first layer. You can just go over this a bit more. Cadmium and you can blend it. So the next kind of top part of our sky, we're just going to mix in some cadmium red to our peachy color. Add a bit of water. And blend it with a bit of water. And you can give it a second coat if you would like. So lastly, I'm just going to kind of touch up the line with the sky here. Get a little bit of water on your brush if you need to. So there you have it, our simple sunset mountain painting. If you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.